Everyone. I'm David. I'm so glad you're here. Over the next few weeks, I want to take you behind the scenes and share something that's been on my heart for quite a while. It's a new chapter in my piano teaching ministry, and honestly, I'm excited to finally be able to tell you about it. So whether your family has taken piano lessons with me before, or we're just getting to know each other, I want to welcome you. So I hope these videos give you a chance to learn a little bit more about me and also why I teach the way I do and where I believe God is leading me next. You know, one thing I've learned over the years is that piano lessons are about a lot more than just learning the right notes, although it sure sounds a whole lot better when you do. But you know, classical piano has given me a solid foundation. It has taught me discipline, perseverance, and strong musical skills. But as the years went by, God started growing another passion in my heart. So when I had the opportunity, I was able to serve on a worship team, and something just clicked. I realized that music isn't just something that we perform. It's one of the ways we can worship the Lord and serve others with the gifts that He has given us. After retiring from teaching as a full-time high school teacher and also continuing to teach piano online, I spent a lot of time praying about what this next season should look like. And I kept coming back to this one simple thought. My calling isn't just to teach piano lessons, it's to help develop musicians. And so I want to take students and help them to have a strong classical foundation, but I also want them to feel confident using their musical gifts, whether that's playing on a worship team or serving in their church or simply just enjoying music for the rest of their lives. And so one of my favorite moments in every lesson, at the end of the lesson, is when students tell me what they're going to be practicing for that week. And you know, that's when I know that they're beginning to think like musicians instead of just following instructions. And so as a teacher, I think that's a pretty great feeling. I also love partnering with parents. And some of my favorite conversations are celebrating those little victories that happen from week to week, because those small wins really do add up. And so over the next few weeks, I'll share more about why I'm bringing classical piano and worship music together, what this new academy will look like, and how I hope it can encourage families just like yours. Oh, and I'm also getting ready to launch a brand new 12-week course. I'll tell you more about that in the next video. So I just want to thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today, and I can't wait to share more with you. I'll see you next time.